And I think we should also thank Joe for his role as bandmaster. He took on here 3 or 4 years ago to try and get the band resurrected again, get a bit more interest in it. He's certainly done a good job. And he recruited Philip. Where is Philip? Philip's here. Philip Mora. And Philip came along here and he's already told you the whole saga about it. But Philip, you have done a tremendous job here and we are deeply indebted to you for all your time and effort. You come here every Monday night during the summer months and you give of your talent and your expertise. And you know, these young folk, they just all love you, and you are the reason I think that they are really attending and putting in so much effort. And really, our grateful thanks should go to you for a tremendous job well done. And to the parents of those young folk who have come along and are giving of their time as well. We know behind every young child there's 2 good parents, and our thanks to you for giving of your time and your effort. And I know you put the children over their tunes so that they have them off perfect for Philip. And thank you very much, and we hope you continue and that we'll get a few more recruits for next year. Now, I think Leah Clemens is going to come along here. I think she's got a little envelope. Where are you, Leah? Here. Leah, ah, here she is. And will Philip come up here just and we'll do a wee presentation to Philip.
As I said earlier there, it's a pleasure to come here, and the dedication that exists here is just unbelievable. It surpasses maybe anywhere else where I'm at, even in our own wee band there, and that's what makes it all worthwhile. I do hear the mothers, as George has thanked the mothers and fathers for sending them in and for coming faithfully themselves with the children. Our thanks to you as well for bringing them out. And I know the mothers have told me there, the youngsters can't wait to get here each week, and you know that is excitement. But it's the hard work goes in, or the coming every Monday night faithfully. Whenever you see how well they play there, or I see the band out on the road and see the band getting stronger, and all them wee ones, that makes it all worthwhile. That makes it, you stand there, and you think, there they are, and it's good to see that. And I know George there, from I have come here, George, the encouragement you give to the wee ones too, and even that Sunday parade. I think anybody who stood here and watched the Sunday parades up the road there, they had a great band that day. Really good, and George kept looking round, and the numbers were behind him, and George kept saying, I've never seen the band as big in a long time, and George was amazed. But it was really good, and these wee ones, as I say, if I can encourage us to keep on coming, and we'll all together we'll keep the band growing and on the road. And thank you very much. Thank you.
I have various notes wrote on the back of this plate here. I couldn't get a bit of paper, so I've written them down on this note. We'd also like to thank Denise Wilson and Mark McKergan for coming along and helping out, and Sam from our own band here, who does a tremendous job as well. Thank you very much for your musical talents. It was lovely to listen to you, and I didn't think that we had such talent in Salterstown as we have with those young folk, and it's absolutely brilliant. Thank you very much, Denise. And then we had the three lovely ladies from Salterstown who were hoping to go on holidays. I know one thing, next time I go on holidays, I'll be watching who's watching me. Thank you very much, girls. It was really very enjoyable. Thank you for your answers. Jennifer McGuckin, Suzanne Hardy, and Jean Captain. Get up and take a bow, girls. One more. That was great. I thank the ladies having to have. Now, our facilities here are not great for catering, but the ladies once again have performed miracles. Now, we're hoping maybe in a couple of years' time there's a bit of money in the offering, and we hope that we're in there with a shout and that we'll get it. But it's going to take a bit of dedication and a bit of effort for a year. We've got to prove our worth and prove that we're worthy of the money that we hope to get to carry out some renovations. So when we give you a call, we hope that you'll come along and you'll help us out. We've got a committee here, and we're going to try and make some improvements here. But as I say, there's no free dinners, and you have to prove yourself to get the money. There's £50,000 on offer, so hopefully we'll be in there with a shout, and we'll be able to prove ourselves worthy of getting that. So as I say, when we give you a shout now and again, and we want some ladies to come onto our committee, because I think without ladies on a committee, we're not going anywhere. So we'll be giving some of you a shout, girls, to come along and give us a hand. Now, what else have I to say? Yes, we have people from everywhere, and we have a lovely family all the way from Vancouver in Canada. They flew over especially for this event, and it was lovely to see them. We have Rosemary Greer and her daughter Julie and her husband Ron, and there's one child, and maybe 2 or 3, I'm not sure how many they are. One. It's lovely to see you. I had a lovely chat with Ron outside there. He's in the same profession as myself, and he's much better at it, making much more money than I am. He's actually flying off tomorrow to China to continue some work that he's doing out there. So we wish you, Ron, a safe journey tomorrow. And it would have been much shorter to go from Vancouver to China than it was coming down this way. Hope you have a safe journey anyway, and I hope you enjoyed your night and the friendship that we've had. Thank you very much for coming. To all those visitors who've come along, we thank you very much. Without the visitors and the guests, what would our night be? Sure, there would be nothing at all. We'd be sitting looking at the same old faces all the time. It's lovely to have visitors and friends, and maybe we'll do this again next year. It could be a cow next year. We'll maybe get a cow. But thank you very much, Anna, for coming along. Hope you enjoyed yourself. I hope I didn't leave anybody out, but if I did, well, you know that you were included somewhere along the way. Thank you very much, folks. I've been told we're going to sing the first verse of the national anthem, so if you want to be upstanding. This is the British national anthem now, not the Canadian one. God save our gracious Queen, long live our noble Queen, God save our Queen. Save her victorious.